Hi, everybody. Today we are starting Unit 12 of Fundations, and we have 14 units in Fundations, so we are almost there because we're on 12. The first thing we're going to do is to read our Fundations trick words, and these are all the words from Unit 12. So I'm going to go ahead and hold them up, and I'm going to give you a chance to read them on your own, and then Mrs. Holman will tell you. Okay. First one, Mr., Mrs. And notice how it has a period at the end. So when you spell that word, it's going to need to have a period at the end. Want. I want to go outside today. Little. I have a little sister. True. People. There are a lot of people in the world. Own. I own a car. Month. It is the month of April. Been. I have been to an amusement park before. All right, nice job. So today we're going to be talking about syllables, boys and girls, and all words are made up of parts. So that's why when we are learning to read a word, we can tap it out. It's made of sounds. Well, today we're going to talk about syllables and parts of words. So I am going to write down the word cat, and I'm going to hold it up, okay? So we know cat is made up of letters, at, but now I'm going to add another part to that word. And Mrs. Holman's camera is not working today, so I can't show you this on there. Okay, so we've got cat and then nip. So the word catnip is made up of two parts. It's made up of cat and nip, okay? So those are called syllables. And sometimes when we clap it out, remember we can clap out syllables. Catnip, try it with me. Catnip. All right, so there's two syllables in catnip. All right, so this really helps us to read longer words, okay? When we pay attention to those syllables in our words. Okay, so I'm going to write another word. All right, and I'm going to hold it up, and it's going to be right under catnip. So we have one word. What is it? Let's tap it out. What I just underlined, B-F. Okay, so that's one syllable. And then the next part of my word is tub. Altogether, that word is bathtub. All right, let's go ahead and clap out bathtub. Are you ready? Bathtub, two syllables. So, boys and girls, when you are reading, it is so important to look all the way through that word to see if you can see those syllables in there. All right, so that helps us to read longer words. Okay, so I'm going to write another one, and we're going to figure it out together. All right, so my first syllable, let's tap it out, nap, nap. And now I'm going to add a second part to that word. And I hope all of you use this to wipe your mouth sometimes. All right. And now let's look at that second part of the word. So we have nap, in. Put it all together, napkin. All right. So let's go ahead and clap out that napkin. Napkin. All right. So when we put those two syllables together, it becomes a new word. Okay. So we can do that with a few more words, and we're going to figure them out together. Okay. So first word, I'm going to go ahead and write it, and then I'll hold it up and we can read it. Okay, let's look at the first part. Sun. What's the second part? Ish. All together, sunfish. Okay, so let's go ahead and clap out sunfish. It has how many syllables? Sunfish. Again, with the two syllables. All right, and I'm going to write one more word before we talk about our word of the day. Okay. Okay, this is going to be right underneath sunfish. Let's go ahead and tap it out. I see that vowel, k, ak, cack, t, us. Put it all together, cactus. All right, let's go ahead and see how many syllables cactus has. Ready? Cactus. All right, so very good. When you are looking at words, you need to try to figure out what those syllables are, and that helps us to become better readers. Okay, so our word of the day, boys and girls, and I'm going to hold it up right here. And this word is, again, two syllables. I'm going to cover part of the word, and we know what word that is, right? Up. And then let's uncover the second part of the word, and that is set. Read it all together. Upset. Read it quickly. Upset. I was upset today when I found out it was raining. So, when we are looking at words, it is important to pay attention to the whole word and read all the way through it. Before we're done today, let's go ahead and tap out the word upset. Or not tap out the word, but let's clap the word out. Ready? Upset. Two syllables. Okay, so today when you are doing your reading, I want you to be a word detective, and I want you to find those syllables in those words. All right, happy reading.